Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and if you want to categorize any transactions on your QuickBooks Online from your bank feed, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First, you have to do is log into your QuickBooks account using your login credentials. Now from here you can find transactions where there is the bank transactions at the from the left side menu bar where you can find the bank transactions. So once you have added your bank account on your QuickBooks Online, you'll be able to see the bank feeds. All the QuickBooks automatically download all the transactions that you have made or making from your bank. So they will download all the data according to the date, bank description, spent, receipt, and from, and also it will match the already existed category that can automatically can be matched, or you can manually categorize them. So for that, if you want to categorize them, you have to simply click on any of these transactions from here. So once you have clicked on it, you can find the transaction type where you can categorize it. So you can simply click on it if it's from sales, like you are getting money or depositing money to your account after selling a product to someone. So you can select deposit, and here you can also select the product and service. Also you can add some details also, and if you want to add any photo, then you can find the attachment section where you can simply click on this plus icon to attach any photo or document you want. So from here, that's how you can also make it categorize, or also you can click on it other type transactions that will look like this, that automatically be recognized or specified or categorized by QuickBooks. They will automatically track this transaction type, your account, from to, and all of this from here. Also at the right side you can find QuickBooks has some powerful AI suggestions. So from here you can find some suggestions that you can use to categorize that specific transaction. So you can also click on this action, this post option here. So also click on this drop down button here where you will be able to add the date and categorize them. Here you can find category where you can categorize them easily, and also you add some description, amount, and the customer you want. After that you have to simply save it. Simply click on save and it will be categorized just like this. Also you can simply click on the matched on, where you can simply click on match, so it will automatically recognize the transactions, and it will try to match with other categories that perfectly fit with that transactions by itself, by the AI. So you have to simply click on match and you are good to go. So that's how you can just categorize any transactions on bank transaction on your QuickBooks Online. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.